Right, so this question talks about 13 friends, they paid equal shares, and the holiday total cost was £3,471. It wants you to work out how much each of them paid, so it's telling you to share this amount of money by 13, so in other words, divide is the sum to do. So it's a no calculator question, so a non-calculator question. So we're saying 13 into 3,471. Now, when we're doing division like this, we should really be thinking what the 13 times table looks like. So keep adding 13. Okay, so we write out a bit of the 13 times table because it's going to help us see how this sum's going to go. Now, we're going to say how many 13s go into 3. We're not going to say 3,000 because we're thinking of these as just digits, and it just helps us to get the sum done fairly quickly. So how many 13s go into 3? Well, none of them. 3 is way below the first one, so we have to push the 3 over to the next digit, and that makes 34 now. So we're now saying how many 13s go into 34. So we go through our 13 times table. Well, we can get 26 out of 34, so we can't get 39 there, so it's 26, so we can get 2 of those. So in essence now we're taking away 26, so 34 take away 26 is 8, so that means we've got a remainder of 8 to push over to the next digit. So we're now going to think of this as 87. So we're now saying how many 13s go into 87. So we go through our 13 times table, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, can't get to 91, not got enough, so 78, so that was 6. So we're now saying take away 78 from 87. So we've got 87, take away 78, which is 9, so 91. So we're now saying 13s into 91. So we go through our 13 times table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 91 exactly. No remainder to carry over, so 267. So the answer to this question, £267 exactly. So again, the division laid out as the bus stop, the push method. We're saying how many 13s go into the number, so we're going to push that 13 through, and any remainders we carry over to the next digit. If there was a remainder at this stage, then we would have added the 0 zeros because we're talking about money, and then we'd push over this remainder to find out what the pennies were and so forth. That's an example of doing long division, guys. Practice, use your calculator to check your answers. You can get better by practice.